The Pearson Test of English, PTE, is an English language proficiency test designed by Pearson Education. It is computer-based and is designed to test the English language skills of non-native speakers who wish to study or work in English-speaking countries. The PTE test format consists of 4 modules. Speaking and writing. This module tests the candidate's ability to speak and write in English. The speaking section consists of a range of tasks, including reading aloud, repeating sentences, describing images, and giving short answers to questions. The writing section includes tasks such as summarizing written text, writing an essay, and completing a fill-in-the-blank passage. Reading. This module tests the candidate's ability to read and comprehend English texts. The tasks include multiple-choice questions, reordering paragraphs, and filling in the blanks. Listening. This module tests the candidate's ability to listen and comprehend English spoken in a variety of accents and situations. The tasks include multiple-choice questions, summarizing spoken text, and filling in the blanks. Integrated skills. This module tests the candidate's ability to use English language skills in real-life situations. It combines the other 3 modules and includes tasks such as summarizing spoken and written text, responding to a prompt, and writing a short essay. The PTE exam pattern is computer-based and is conducted at authorized Pearson test centers around the world. The test is scored on a scale of 10 to 90, with 10 being the lowest and 90 being the highest. The test is designed to assess the candidate's ability to use English in academic and professional settings, and the scores are recognized by universities, colleges, and governments around the world.